it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my mini box for June 2018. This is from the company Ebates, and they do a monthly manicure mini box every month. So it's always a month behind. I don't know why it's always like that. I don't know why they don't just send it to you the month before. But yeah, so this is June, and I know it's already near the end of July, but yeah, so that's just how it works. I've done a couple of these videos already. I've been getting them for the last couple of months, so I can leave the links down below if you want to check those out and want to know a little bit more about what kind of stuff comes in the boxes. So basically, you get, I think, 5 to 6 products each month, and they're different things from the Ebates website, so it can be things from all over the world, which is really cool because you get to try out new nail art brands that you may have never even heard of or that are not available in your country wherever you live. So I definitely enjoying it so far. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So the theme for this one is passport to polish. So it's kind of got like different travel, different things. They always post the themes a little bit in advance so you can see what the next theme is going to be. I'm really excited for the next one because I think it's mermaids, so I'm really excited for that one. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into the box. So first off, it has your little card. It says, "I hope you have lots of summer fun with these travel-friendly items in this month's My Mini Box." And then it shows you their card and where you can find them and all that good stuff. So let's see what we've got in here. So it looks like we've got a bunch of nail polish stuff. So the first thing is Peel Putty. This is from the company Ebates. This is a latex-based cuticle guard. You're supposed to apply them out around cuticles, let it dry, peel off when finished with nail art. I have tried products like these before. Let's see if it's still intact. Looks like it's good, because I've got one of these that's kind of dried up, but I think it's because it came from China, so it took a really long time to get here. So that is their Peel Putty. So definitely be trying that out. Let's see what we got in here. It always comes really cutely wrapped, and everything is in great packaging and all that stuff, so that's always good. All right, let's see. Oh, you gotta hit the bottle. So I got some hit the bottle ones last time. This is a mini one. So this is hit the bottle. This one is called Poison Apple. This is Australian made 5 free nail lacquer. They always come really well packaged. I found out why they have that glue, because they come from Australia. Thanks, Guyleen. I didn't really realize they came from so far away. So this is Poison Apple. So interesting color. Definitely be trying that out. Alright, and then it looks like we've got a nail file here from Ebates as well. A little cute nail file, very travel friendly as they said. And then it looks like we got another nail polish. This one is from Femme Fatale. This is 5 free nail lacquer. This is also an Australian company. I think I've heard of them before, and I think it might be called Fates Bound Together. We'll see. This actually looks really similar to a box that I have. Let's see. Kind of same idea. This polish from Nail Medic. It almost, I don't know, had the same kind of look to me. This was from an Ipsy bag, but it had the same kind of look to it for some reason. Anyways, this is the polish. It looks really, really pretty. It is like a purple with some pink kind of shimmer to it, and it's got some glitter in there, and it is called Fates Bound Together. So let's open this up. Ooh, I am definitely going to be liking this color. Very nice. So I do plan on doing a nail design with the mini box. I know that is always my intention, and then I get the box and then I just want to open it and show you what's inside, but then I don't end up doing a design. I do end up later on. Anyways, so we've got 2 stamping plates. Usually I get 2, so I've got them from Muyu London again. I'm really building up my collection from Muyu London. So this is the mix and match stamping plate. This is the Lara one, I guess, and that is what it looks like. Very cute. It's got some drinks, some pineapples, a flamingo, popsicle, and different like prints on there. So very summery kind of look in there. Very cute. And then we've got the Explorer one. And I think this one is called Nora the Explorer. Kind of like Dora the Explorer almost. Alright, and then it's got a bunch of different patterns, some tribal print, it's got some llamas, and some fun stuff on there. Also very travel friendly, very cute. But yeah, so that is everything I have got in my box. So I think it's actually pretty good because these usually go for like, I don't know, like $12 or something like that Canadian. Sorry, slightly losing my voice for some reason in this video. So these are like, I don't know, $12 to $15 or something like that Canadian, so that's pretty good. The box is $40, so there's a good chunk of it right there. And then I'm not sure about the nail polishes, but I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things in here, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so that is everything for this video. Definitely check it out. It's a good way to learn about new products and all that stuff. But yeah, so that's everything for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.